Today we're playing mukbang part 2 in servers. We're gonna play part 2. So let's find a perfect spot so I can sleep. Let's sit right here. So let's get something good. Let's order snacks in order blue tacky dog. I'll just order that. And I'll just place it over here. That's really tasty. Tape it on it. Tape it on it. And tape it onto the yellow again. Clean table. Now just get a flamin' hot dog. Flamin' hot dog. Third corn dog. Not a hot dog. Tape it on. Now let's tape it. Now let's take this flaming hot dog into this thing. And tape it onto the white thing. And tape it onto the red again. Spicy squeeze. That's right, the spicy. Well, after I was going to clean the table. Clean it. Now just go to drinks. I'm really thirsty. I had to get some water. Now just place it right here. Bro, it's just getting funny. I'll just go to sushi menu and buy salmon. No, I don't want salmon. Clean. I don't need it. I need a perfect ones. Tuna pizza. And we'll just get some more sushi. And we'll just get this one and this one. Okay, yeah, that's pizza. Now just grab some slice of pizza. That sounds really good. That's really delicious. It tastes like rock. Well, if I was gonna place these. This and I'll just play salmon. Yeah. Perfect place. Yeah, it's gonna be perfect. This pizza, this tuna pizza, it tastes like rock. It tastes like rock. It is. Okay, so don't clean the table. Now just eat salmon crunch Mackie. Now I want to eat some more. Okay, so let me just get this one. Well, so I just get. Now there's last one. Now let's get these. No, just wait. What's this food? Wait, what's this sushi? Kuri Meki. Ooh, I like this. That looks like fishes things. Pick it up. Okay, now there's green ones. Okay, now there's 4 of these. Now there's 3 of these. Now there's last one. Now clean table. Now get more food. I'll just go to ramen menu. I did not order ramen menu. I didn't order menus. Wait, I'll just order spam. I like spam so much. Now just eat it. Tasty ramen. Now just get eggs. Ramen. Tasty. Now just get salmon. Come on, please. What? Oh my gosh. Okay, guys. Okay. We finished